Welcome to Genesis of Database. Today we will look on the topic indexing. What is an index? An index is a data structure that helps SQL Server find rows in the table quickly. It is a separate object from the table and it contains a copy of one or more columns from the table along with the pointer to the location of the row in the table. When you create an index, SQL Server stores the index in a special data structure called a B tree. A B tree is a balanced tree structure that allows SQL Server to quickly find the row that matches the given value. When SQL Server needs to find a row in the table, it first checks to see if there is an index on the column that are being searched. If there is an index, SQL Server uses the index to find the row quickly. If there is no index, SQL Server must scan the entire table, which can be very slow. Indexes can improve the performance of queries that search for specific value in the table. For example, if you have a table with 1 lakh rows and you need to find all the rows where the customer ID is 1234, without an index, SQL Server would have to scan the entire table. With an index, SQL Server can find the row in a fraction of a second. Typically, there are two types of indexes in SQL Server. First, cluster index and another is non-cluster index. A cluster index is a special type of index that is used to physically order the row in the table. Only one cluster index can be created on the table. A non-cluster index is an index that is not used to physically order the row in the table. Multiple non-cluster index can be created on a table. Cluster index are typically used on the table that are frequently updated. This is because when a row is updated in the table with cluster index, the entire index must be updated as well. Non-cluster indexes are typically used on a table that are not frequently updated. This is because non-cluster index do not need to be updated when a row is updated in the table. Indexes can improve the performance of the query, but they can also increase the size of the database. Therefore, it is important to create indexes only on columns that are frequently searched. Here are some tips for creating indexes. Create indexes on a column that are frequently searched. Do not create indexes on columns that are frequently updated. Keep index up to date. Delete indexes that are no longer needed. By following these tips, you can improve the performance of your query and reduce the size of your database. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends.